Before live BBC broadcast, here with us, Fabrizio. Welcome to our program.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How is going here, Fabrizio?
Everything is amazing here. I mean, sun is shining. Okay, now not anymore. Okay, there is that cloud, but it's gonna be out again. So, no, it's amazing. I mean, it's a Mediterranean country. So I come from Malta, and I'm half Italian. So you can imagine, the atmosphere here is great, and the venue is amazing. It's so lovely. I mean, this is my second time in Eurovision, and it feels much better. I mean, I'm so happy to be once again here. And
what do you think about your concurrents?
I think it's a very tough competition this year, and it's good to be like this because Eurovision Song Contest is the best show, and a lot of people watch it, and this year they will watch it even more. And I always believe that Eurovision, of course, is a contest, and everybody tries to win it, but mainly it's a show where, of course, we are doing our music, and it's good to be in it, to promote the song, to promote the artist, whether it's popular or newcomer, and to promote the country, and then do something afterwards. You know, I mean, Eurovision 2001, my first time in Eurovision in Denmark, it gave me the opportunity from such a small, tiny island to be the first Maltese artist to be internationally released. So I hope that this year is going to be
big, breakthrough.
More satisfaction.
And I love you like a fool. Yeah! Woo! I love you like a fool.
Ah! Okay, you know that one too. I'm in love. Oh, you continue. You know it all, eh? You continue whistling. I need a whistle, man. I need a whistle.
I know man. I don't know if I have time. I must check my schedule.
Maybe we can do some whistle in the song I do.
Oh,
huh? You never know. Maybe I tell you to come on stage with me.
Okay. I must first check the schedule. But
okay. So let's check the schedule.
I'm ready to help you.
Good.
Now we have a special votes from the Zabcem Stonogom Balkan Media Jury to Fabrizio, and our prognosis for you. Malta, 12 points. La Malta, 10 points.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations.
Thanks a lot. We'll see you tonight. Yeah?